HIV/AIDS has always been perceived to be prevalent among men, but experts recently found that a higher percentage of women are getting infected with the deadly disease each year compared to men. According to Professor Dr. Adeeba Kamarulzaman, Director of the Centre of Excellence for Research in AIDS, since the beginning of the epidemic in Malaysia, males have accounted for a majority of new HIV infections diagnosed per year. However, the number slowly declined over the years, while the number of cases involving women have been on the rise. She revealed that more than 6,000 men were infected by HIV 10 years ago, compared to 673 women in the same year. But the number of infected men decreased to 2,704, while the number of women infected climbed to 734 last year. The gender ratio of HIV-infected individuals in the country has also changed. Professor Dr. Adeeba also said that the trend for HIV transmission has also started to change. The number of injection drug users tested positive with the virus has been decreasing, while cases transmitted through sexual activities were rising.
One of the biggest barriers is in having programs for sex workers and also men who have sex with men. Super sensitive issue in our culture. Also at the same time need to be pragmatic and realistic and understand that these are happening. Sex work is very much happening in Malaysia. You see it yourself. Address it we must, I think, because we're starting to see the consequence of us not addressing it seriously.
To raise awareness on the new concerns as well as discuss latest developments in HIV-related research, treatments and preventive measures, the Centre, together with the International AIDS Society, IAS, will be hosting the 7th IAS Conference on HIV pathogenesis, treatment and prevention.
Malaysia was selected being the first Asian country, first Muslim country to have been asked to host this. And it's a personal honor to me because the other chair of the conference, the international chair of the conference, is Professor Francois Sanusi, a Nobel laureate, and the person who discovered the HIV virus 30 years ago.
The biannual event will be attended by 4,000 leading scientists, clinicians, public health experts and community leaders from all around the world. It will be held from tomorrow until July 3rd at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre.